Now find the Cartesian equation of the plane. Now the equation is in the vector form and we have to convert it in the Cartesian form. Now given equation is vector r dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap is equal to 1. Equation 1. Now let the coordinates of any arbitrary point P be x, y, z on the plane. Therefore, vector r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap is equal to 1. Now this becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 1. I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. So this is the answer.